Today, we want to talk to you about the features that make Domino Automatic by Zonzini a truly innovative electric stair climbing trolley, focusing in particular on the concept of safety. But first, a few words of introduction. Handling products like photocopiers, vending machines, winches, motors, stoves, fireplaces, boilers, or other heavy objects is a complex operation that needs care and concentration. And at times, the situation is complicated further by particularly difficult loads, the type of staircase, and, it can happen, accidental driver distraction. That's why we always work to make our stair climbing trolleys as safe as possible and reduce the risk for end users. We're talking about safety for companies with delivery employees, who they have to provide with the most appropriate tools for the job in hand. Domino Automatic represents the maximum for us in reliability and safety today. As you can see, Domino Automatic always rests on at least 2 or 3 steps, meaning that the load is distributed evenly over multiple points of contact for the entire climb or descent. Unlike systems in which the entire weight rests on only 2 points of contact on a single step, the risk of damage is minimal. But most importantly, the driver doesn't have to balance the load at every step, significantly reducing the risk of losing balance. Domino Automatic moves on special non-staining and non-scratching tracks, suitable for delicate indoor surfaces like marble, wood and parquet, but also outdoors, on asphalt or uneven surfaces. These Zonzini branded tracks deliver excellent performance. When reaching the landing after climbing stairs, the driver simply pulls back gently on the handlebar and Domino Automatic closes its tracks so they rest on the landing. This makes it possible to reach even very small landings safely, because both operator and load are always in an upright position, and the space required is therefore minimal. When descending from a landing, on the other hand, the operator just pushes gently forwards on the handlebar and Domino Automatic opens its tracks so they rest on the step beneath. The operator can even take both hands off the handlebar at any time, except on the last step. Domino Automatic can also be used safely on steps with varying heights and with different shapes. Zero effort, less risk. Simple, compact, reliable. Domino Automatic, safely making the right choice.